Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making Watergate Salad. We have 5 ingredients, which are instant pistachio pudding, crushed pineapple with juice, miniature marshmallows, chopped pecans, and a container of whipped topping. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up our pistachio pudding and we're going to add it to our bowl. Now we're going to move on to our crushed pineapples, which we're going to add into the pistachio pudding, and we're going to mix it up. And once that is mixed up, we're going to add our marshmallows. And then we're going to add our chopped pecan. And we're just going to mix this up really well. Here I'm going to add my whipped topping to the rest of my ingredients. And you want to fold in your whipped topping to complete your Watergate salad. And here's our Watergate salad. This was really easy. It's delicious. You want to refrigerate it until you are ready to serve. Here's our Watergate salad. We have made Watergate salad. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.